Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by parking level and chalking the rear wheels, safety first. Once the engine is warm, put on gloves and slide the drain pan under the transmission pan. Use a 3/8 ratchet to loosen the pan bolts in a cross pattern, but don't remove them all at once. This controls fluid flow. When the lower bolts are out, tip the pan to drain evenly. Set the pan aside and remove the filter mounting bolt so the old filter can be removed and inspected. You clean the pan thoroughly, scraping gasket residue and wiping the magnet until debris is visible but not excessive. Once cleaned, fit a new pan gasket and loosely reinstall 2 opposite corner bolts to hold it. Fit the new transmission filter into place and tighten its mounting bolt to the manufacturer's torque specification. This prevents leaks and ensures proper seal. Then torque the rest of the pan bolts in an even sequence. Make sure the pan sits flush and no gaps remain before moving to refill. You refill through the dipstick tube using a funnel, adding most of the specified fluid but stopping short of full to allow for warm check. Once filled, start the engine and cycle through all gears slowly, park, reverse, drive, so fluid circulates. With engine idling and transmission at normal operating temperature, recheck the dipstick and add small amounts until level reaches the hot mark. If a gear slips or you see leaks, shut down and retorque pan bolts. If persistent, inspect filter seating or consult a pro.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.